Hi everyone, 8 divided by 2, bracket 2 minus 0 is what? We have choices A, 0, B, 2, C, 8, and D, 1. So which is the correct answer? This is an operation problem. We'll use BODMAS to solve this. Okay, we have brackets here, so we're going to start with the brackets. So we'll say 8 divided by 2 will be the same, and then we'll solve in the brackets. So we say 2 minus 0 is 2. Now since we solve the brackets, then we have division. So we'll divide 8 by 2 will be 4. So 4 is supposed to be multiplied by 2, or we can say 4 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 8. So this is our answer, C. If you like this video, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Leave a comment and thank you for watching. Bye bye.